चांद्रा गांवांतल्यान पासार जावपी स्टेट हायवे नंबर 8 डिनोटिफाय करचो म्हण मागणी थळाव्यांची आसा. ह्या कामात जो कोण आमच्या बरोबर उबो रावतलो तांकां आमचो तेंको आसा म्हण म्हायती पंचायत वांगड्यांनी दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
SH8 movement is a apolitical movement which was started by the villagers 1.5 years ago. And the reason for that was to protest against the state highway which was passing through Chandor, a heritage village, where the world famous monuments, houses, and then of course places of worship have, of course, will be destroyed if we have the SH8 passing through. We are of course protesting against the regional plan of 2011 and 2021 because actually the highway doesn't pass through Chandor. In fact, it passes through, we have Rawalphone, Akembash, right up to Paroda, Kuchare, and of course we all know that since it doesn't pass through Chandor, we, the villagers, SH8 movement is protesting against this highway. And then of course we also want that it has to be shifted, bypassing, of course it has to be shifted from Chandor, bypassing the regional plans of 2011 and 2021.
आमचे सरपंचान म्हणले भाशेन हो movement apolitical. First of all, we have members from all parties in Goa. We have members here in this group, all are villagers. So what is our concern is आमचे वाटेन highway नाका. आमी सगळे मिनिस्टरां मेळ्ळे. Of course there were positive vibes from the ministers. पण ते कितें सांगपाक लागले तुमी alternate दाखया म्हणून आमकां. Alternate is already there. In 2011, 2021, on the regional plan, highway SH8 is shown through Akembash, Dikarpalli, Davorli, Sanse Arial, Paroda, Kepens, and Kutshore. Create more awareness because America Kodpas, he has been with us. No doubt he has been with us, but he is not giving any priority. And we want to tell everybody, we have also approached the ex-MLA because whoever does our work, we are with them.